Hi, I'm John Hathcote, and I'm an assistant professor in the Assessment and Measurement PhD program. I'm going to discuss requirements for admission into the program, the contents of the application, and our typical timeline for admissions. So let's start with the admission requirements. In order to be admitted into the program, you must have at least a master's degree in psychology, statistics, or a related field. Although most of our applicants have master's degrees in psychology, students from a variety of different backgrounds have been accepted into our program. For instance, we've admitted students with graduate degrees in linguistics, counseling psychology, educational leadership, and math. If you don't yet have a master's degree, then we invite you to check out our master's program in quantitative psychology. Although it is not required, many of our applicants will have completed at least one undergraduate or master's level course in statistics, research design, or measurement. Applicants who are admitted to the program without having completed at least one course in these areas will likely be asked to complete coursework or acquire training in these areas prior to beginning the PhD program. We consider applications to the program only once per year. Applications are due on January 15th for admittance into the program the following summer or fall. Applications are considered for both part-time and full-time students. All applications are submitted electronically at the following link. Your application package must include the following: GRE scores, transcripts from all undergraduate and graduate programs, 3 letters of recommendation. So you should select 3 people who are knowledgeable about your academic performance, your relevant volunteer work, or your professional work, and have these people complete a letter of recommendation for you. These recommendations will be completed electronically as part of the online application process. You will provide contact information for your references, and the graduate school will send them information about the online recommendation form. A personal statement in which you describe your personal and professional goals for graduate study and describe how this program will help you meet these goals. A curriculum vitae or resume. Representative work samples that demonstrate your current professional skills. So for example, you could submit research reports, technical reports, class papers, or even publications. You'll also provide a document that describes any relevant experiences you've had performing empirical research, assessment, or evaluation. For each study, include when and where the study was performed, your level of independence on the project, your supervisor's name and position, and if applicable, the impact of the study in terms of changes or modifications to an existing program. If you're interested in a graduate assistantship, you'll also fill out this application at this time. There's another video in our series that describes funding and graduate assistantships in more detail. Be sure to have your application material completed and uploaded by the due date. Incomplete applications after the due date are not considered. To inform our admission decisions, applicants might be asked to participate in either phone or in-person interviews. Decisions about acceptance into the program will be communicated either through an email or letter from the graduate school. Those who are accepted will be asked to make a decision in late spring about whether or not they will come to our program. Students who decide to come to our program usually arrive on campus in the summer, though many students come just before the fall semester. If you have any remaining questions about admissions, you can consult information on our webpage or contact our program director. We look forward to seeing your application.